Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Got me some ESR screen protector here for my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we're gonna go ahead and install that today. The reason why I got this, by the way, is because you see this right here? It has a little tray where you really can't go wrong on installing your screen protector. Super important. It's kind of like a 2022 kind of thing. So that's why we're gonna do this today. So let's sip some coffee and then install our screen protector for our new phone. All right, let's do it. This probably has more stuff than my case that I bought. Look at this. Wow. Wow. All right, so this is the contraption right here. Oh, did I mention that it comes with two? So like there's two screen protectors. Look at this. This is what screen protectors comes with now. Wow. Comes with this very important thing right here, which is like the squeegee. You want to air out all of your bubbles that's in between the screen. Little instruction booklets for you. So that's important. And then this is the kind of the accessory kit right here. You got yourself some cloth, some wet wipes, and so on and so forth. Oh yeah, and then these stickers right here where if you have dust on there, you want to tap it and stuff like that. Okay, so first off, let's go ahead and do this. Wipe the screen down with some of these wet wipes. It's very wet, by the way. This thing, very, very wet. It's best if you just turn off your phone during this whole thing. Okay, so let's use one of our first ones right here. This is the backing, this is the front, it says. So I think it's super easy. This thing should snap onto the top of this. So let's go ahead and peel the back right here. It says back right here, so we can go ahead and peel that. By the way, try not to remove the entire screen. It's almost like a sticker right here, okay? You want to leave that hard plastic right there in. Just making sure that it points direction. This is the top right here. All right, so I've dropped it on there. I can actually see like the bubbles just dissipate underneath this. Okay. All right, let's see how good this thing is now. Let's see. I'm gonna remove this. And then there's a protection film on here. And let's see here. Just gonna remove this. All right, so I do see like one bubble. You see that right there? That's what the squeegee is for. And I don't see any other bubbles, so that's good. That is good. There you have it. Super clean. I didn't have to worry about if the edge touches it or not, and all because of this little thing right here. So awesome. Yep, that looks good right there. That looks great. There you have it, guys. That's the Spigen screen protector right there. Super easy. I wasn't nervous at all. Wasn't, but you have it. Looks good. Have a good one. Bye-bye.